What really makes a great trader is understanding that it's not about winning right now, but it's about making the right decisions consistently to win over a long period of time. And the reason why most traders will never see any success is because they're too concerned about making money right now and winning every single setup that they're looking at. And as a trader, you need to execute and manage every position with a casino owner mentality. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Becoming consistently profitable can only happen with a combination of winning and losing trades, and this is a fact. And unfortunately, not losing actually ends up being the dominant factor that affects most traders' decisions. And the traders who consistently extract gains from the markets, they're the ones who have developed an effective trading mindset. And there are very specific beliefs and mental characteristics that are required of you if you want to reach this level. So controlling emotions and overcoming fear are probably the most difficult things for a Forex trader to accomplish. In most cases, people fear losing money, and failure itself. And this is the type of fear that can paralyze you into a state where you experience an unsteady thought process, which often leads to just bad trading decisions. And as a trader, you must move from a fearful mindset to a mental state of confidence, and you must believe in your ability to execute and manage every trade with a casino owner mentality. And this requires an internal belief change, not just knowing that a change is required. And so you really need to understand this. And for this example, I'm going to use blackjack. Now, this is a game that is player versus casino. And the difference between them is that the casino owner and the casino, they have an edge over the gambler. And most gamblers, we know they lose money, but there are some who do play with an edge so that they can make profits consistently. Disciplined traders also have an edge. And one thing you will never see is a casino owner or somebody managing a casino game come down to the floor and walk up to a blackjack table and stop a hand of blackjack from occurring because they think they might lose on that next hand. Casino owners actually want as many hands as possible to be played because they know they have a statistical edge on every hand that is played over the gamblers. Casino owners also know something very important. Each hand is independent of other hands. Anything can happen on a single hand, which goes back to the 5 fundamental truths about probabilities. 1, anything can happen. 2, you don't need to know what's going to happen next in order to make money. 3rd, there is a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge. And 4th, an edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. And 5th, every moment in the market is unique. So casinos make consistent money on an event that has a random outcome, just like professional traders do, because they know that over a series of events, the odds are in their favor. Casinos and traders also know that to realize the benefits of the favorable odds, they need to participate in every event where they have an edge. And the casino owner knows they can't predict which hand is going to make the house money and which is going to make the gambler money. And just like in trading, professional traders can't predict which position is going to lose or which position is going to make the money, and they don't need to know. The bottom line is that you need to adopt the casino owner mentality and realize the result of each trade is unpredictable. Every valid trade setup you identify within the context of your trade plan must be traded because trading is solely a numbers game. Allow your edge to play out over many trades and a large sample size. Trust your edge like casinos do, and over the course of a month, a quarter, a year, your edge will produce a profit. And those traders who have the confidence in their trades and trust themselves to do what they need to do without hesitation are the ones who become successful. And these traders focus on the information that helps them spot opportunities to make profit rather than focusing on the information that reinforces fear. So to a professional trader, individual trades don't matter. Whether it's a win or a loss, it makes no difference. The only thing that matters is following their trade plan, taking valid trade setups, and exploiting their edge, because over the long run, all those losses and wins will make the edge materialize. It's also important to acknowledge that everything I'm talking about, it might make perfect sense. But again, it's the difference between knowing and doing and bridging that gap. So just understanding this won't create any change in your behavior. It needs to be incorporated in your belief system for change to actually occur and develop new habits that actually promote success. And when you incorporate this into your belief system and you acquire the casino owner mentality, you won't care about the outcome of your next trade. You will be more open to seeking opportunities because it doesn't matter what trading system you're using, you will not produce profits unless you have the correct mental skills also in place. And by switching one's mindset to thinking probabilities, it will not only help your trading psychology, but it's going to help your bottom line. So it's really important to detach yourself and let go of whether or not the next trade is going to be a winner or a loser, or if you're right or wrong. Because what really makes a great trader is understanding it's not about winning right now. It's about making the right decisions consistently so you can win in the long run. And a great way to help somebody who struggles to experience a probabilistic mindset is to think of every valid trade as a winner. Whether it results in a gain or a loss, if you have a positive statistical expectancy, then losers are a part of that equation. Feeling bad about valid trades that lose is not only useless, it's counterproductive because you're just gonna try and avoid what makes you feel bad, like losing more trades. So to recap, this is everything that you're gonna have to focus on so that you can acquire the casino owner mentality and approach trading from a probability mindset. So first, change your beliefs. These new beliefs will become part of the new version of yourself that you're working to create and implement. Second, know your numbers and acknowledge your statistical edge in a large sample. And third, which plays into your positive trade expectancy, shifting away from winners and losers and understanding the positive value of every trade you execute within your edge. And when you have a positive trade expectancy, the losses, the trades that have exited at break even, all of the winning trades, this is how you start to master the game of taking losses and start acquiring the casino owner mentality. If the mindset aspect of trading is something that you personally struggle with, make sure to drop a comment below and let me know what some of your biggest mindset roadblocks are for future videos. And then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you're notified when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.